Today's the day that I'll finally upgrade my desk. Thanks for joining along this little journey ride of building a desk. As you can see, very happy with how it's turned out. Still a lot of work to do. Obviously the camera positioning that I need to change up. Still got a lot of cable management that I thought I need to do. Those bricks, I'm going to get sort of like a cradle thing that I can screw underneath the desk to just hide them away. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I've got a lot more space for the things that I want to put in. I'm going to be able to put all my streaming stuff in a lot of these drawers. I actually brought a lot of these custom cut foam things that I got from Bunnings, about 17 bucks, that I'm going to cut out, and then cut out stands and mics and stuff, so I'll be able to put the stuff in the drawers in here. Pretty good as well for a lot of storage, so I'm pretty happy about that. But yeah, this took like 6 hours. This took me all day to do. I thought it would only take me a couple of hours, but sadly it is what it is. Got it finally over and done with. Had a few little difficulties. I've done a few little stuffs up, but that's on me. We'll live and learn, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about trying this out, and continue on upgrading it, and might even put some lightings around the back of it. So see how we go with that. But for now, that's me done, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed.